Good morning, Jessica. This is Bruce Koltak with Boss Agency Digital Marketing. As we spoke during our lunch, I told you I was going to shoot you a quick free video to give you 3 free tips on what you could do to beat out your competition online. At the end of this video, if you like what we have to offer and what we could do for you, please follow up with me and give me a call, or you could try to implement the services yourself and see what you could do from there. Okay, first one of your competitors here is Marina. Yesterday we were talking about content and everything else. That's a huge thing with Google. It gives you more relevance. As you can see, they don't have a lot of content on their site. There's probably about 500 words here. The homepage of your site needs to be at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Google loves content. I know that people aren't going to read it, but it has nothing to do with the people reading it. It has to do with the algorithms picking up your content to put you up in the Google rankings. So what I do is I copy and paste their URL into a tool I call Ahrefs. I pay about $400 a month for this tool. What this does is it breaks down the analytics of their site, what they're doing, their referring domains, which are like citations and whatnot, which has their company information on it, and which in returns gives them what's called backlinks right here. These backlinks, it's like a popularity contest. The more that you have, the more Google likes and the higher you are in your rankings. As you can see, they have 8 referring domains, which is giving them 11 backlinks to their sites, and it's giving them, they have 7 organic keywords in which they are ranking for, giving them organic site traffic of 39, and then their traffic value is $125 per click based upon their traffic. Okay. When we're looking at their referring domains on here, these are all the domains, like I said, Yellow Pages, White Spark, any Better Business Bureau, LinkedIn, any online websites that refer back to your site, giving you more relevance. Okay, we're going to go back here, and then it'll show the backlinks here in which it creates. Okay, these backlinks link up to your account. Again, like I said, that's giving you relevance, and you can see on here they're like in like these websites, green site info, keyword suggest tool. Yeah, so they're not in a whole lot of stuff here. As you can see, your competition is really not doing much to have an online presence, which is a lot of money that basically everyone's going to be missing out on, including you guys. So going on to the next customer here, we got Emerald Landscape. Emerald Landscape, no content at all, very simple site just to have web presence. None of this is set up for search engine optimization. So like I said before at our luncheon, saving the pictures, as we could see here when I hit save image as, this right here needs to be saved with a keyword in regards to landscaping, contracting, landscape contractor or something. It can't be generic. Okay, as you can see, they saved them as generic, and this site is not designed for SEO at all. No content, hardly anything. And when we throw them into our dashboard here and pull them up, you can see where they rank right here. Their UR and DR are super low. They have 20 referring domains, which is better than the first one, giving them 73 backlinks, 18 organic keywords here that they're using in their site to help drive traffic. We did not touch on keywords in the last one. So what keywords are? These keywords are what people are searching to drive to your traffic to your account. You can see that they're just using their name, and they don't have any other keywords on here, and they're losing out. So they're using Emerald Landscape. You can see the volume of searches is 90. The traffic they got off that was 10, and they're in the #1 position for that. Okay, and then it shows you the cost per click right here if you did like a Google ad or whatnot. But as you can see, the volume's not very high, and they're not getting a lot of traffic because they're not putting any keywords in here. Okay, that's a lot of money and a lot of traffic that they're missing out on. On to the next we have here. We have Jensen Landscape, same thing, no content. Okay, they do have what are called citations on here, which is going to give them backlinks. Okay, you see these LinkedIn, Twitter, and all that stuff. That's all relevance to Google. And when you come here to where they save their pictures, we're going to do the same thing. Save image as, see what they saved it as, and it's a generic word again, and there's no keyword here. They are not doing keywords to help drive traffic and get picked up by Google. So none of these guys are doing any digital marketing whatsoever, and missing out on a ton of money. So when we go to your site, we've got Green Growth Industries. You know, you have a basic little page because you're trying to get everything set up here. And when we pull you up, you're 50 millionth ranked. You have a better URDR than all of them. You have 15 referring domains because you are signed up with all these other different accounts here. These domains are giving you backlinks. So you're with yellowpages.com, all this good stuff. And there's a lot more which you can sign up for to outrank these people, okay? So it wouldn't take a lot for us to beat out your competition at all. So it would be relatively easy to do that and help you rank and get you in the top spot. You said erosion control and all that. You don't see any of those keywords in any of your guys' site. Erosion control, anything that you guys are doing, all you guys have is just your name of your company. The name of your company, you got a volume of 80 looking for your name. The traffic you got 26 out of that 80, and you're in the #1 position for that, okay? And then it just keeps going on and on. But there's a ton of keywords that you could put in there to help drive that traffic. Like I said, erosion control, specific tasks that your company does that people are searching for in Google, which I can go into Google and I'll do all that research to find all those keywords that people are looking for to find landscaping or commercial contracting or, you know, for the prevailing wage jobs. We could do that to drive industry specific people towards your account. So then that way you're not just getting random people looking for housing and stuff like that because you work with contractors. So that's my video. Those are some free tips here on what you can do to beat out your competition if you want to try to do it yourself, or you can contact us. If you go with us, we're going to design a website that's built for SEO. You saw some of the examples that I sent you of some of the WordPress sites. They're a lot put together a lot better than this, and they're designed specifically to drive your niche traffic towards your company to get you more revenue. I hope you like what I showed you here. If you want to continue, please give me a phone call and we can go from there. Thank you and have a great day.